अरे ढोलू बोलू, ये तुम क्या कर रहे हो? तुम पागल हो गए हो क्या? मुझे तो पता था इन दोनों के पास दिमाग ही नहीं है। शाबाश कालिया, मैं जानता था कि तुम इसी तरह से करोगे, इसीलिए मैंने ये जाल बिछाया। चलो हम चलते हैं। अरे भीम, ये लो तुम्हारा लड्डू। I have a little bit of throat infection, so my voice is not very good right now. अच्छा, तो हम चलते हैं, फिर कब मिलोगे जब तुम कहोगे, आधी रात को, हाँ हाँ आधी रात को, वही जहाँ कोई आता जाता नहीं। अच्छा, तो हम चलते हैं। अच्छा, तो हम चलते हैं। But this is what I love doing. I have seen this cartoon Bheem, Chota Bheem for so long that I remember the cartoon characters' voices and I used to imitate them, and I've even professionally done the same thing. Do you like it? Do you like my voice? Do you think no, it actually, we should all experiment more with ourselves. Experience, build, that will build experience, right? The more we experience ourselves, the more we experiment with ourselves. See, this is my normal voice, and I have been struggling to hear my own voice because for a month I had this throat infection. That was the longest I've ever had it. And I can speak for myself, and I love to hear myself. So anything that you have today, you should be extremely grateful of it. You never know when it will be taken away. You never know what will happen next. You may think like she's just talking nonsense. Maybe because she has suffered, it doesn't mean that we'll have to go through it. Just because she's been through it, just because this person has been through something like that, doesn't mean it'll happen to us. Or don't just bother yourself with unnecessary overthinking. But you must think about all these things in order to keep yourself aware about it, in order to keep yourself informed about those things, in order to learn how to be grateful for every little thing. Imagine, I had never imagined that I would lose my voice. Yeah, that was a thought that I may feel weird for a while that I've lost my voice, but for a month at stretch, not being able to speak, not being able to say even the most important things at the important occasions, struggling, I had never imagined. And yesterday, when I could speak, it was like crazy for me. It was like such a big deal that I was dancing in joy. Oh my god, I've got my voice back. Hear myself. So I had to do this voice thing in front of you all because I wanted to show you that I used to do it and it was fun, and maybe we'll do more of it. Until then, be grateful that you still have a voice, and I hope you use it for the right thing. Now, you should work on yourself to understand the difference between what's right and what's not. Don't be selfish and try to prove yourself right, even when it's not morally or ethically correct.